In today's video, I'm going to teach you the difference between Pipedrive leads and deals. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to the Leads section and open the Leads inbox. Think of leads as early, unqualified prospects, names and opportunities that look promising but aren't ready to be tracked through a sales pipeline yet. Leads let you capture interest without cluttering your pipeline. Deals, on the other hand, are qualified opportunities you're actively working, moving through defined stages with forecasting and performance tracking. We'll create one of each so you can see the difference in action. In the Leads inbox, click Add Lead. Type the contact person's name. If the person isn't in your database yet, add them as a new contact so all future activity can be linked back cleanly. Enter a value for the lead. This is your best estimate of potential revenue at this stage. Set the correct currency to keep reporting consistent. Apply a label to categorize the lead, such as its priority or status, which makes filtering and follow-up easier. Add an expected close date to set a timeline and help with planning. For source, choose web forms so you can track where this opportunity originated. When everything looks good, click Save. That's a lead captured, light, flexible, and perfect for early qualification. Now let's move to deals. Open the deals area. Deals represent qualified opportunities you intend to pursue through your pipeline stages, like qualification, proposal, and won or lost. This is where forecasting, probability, and stage-by-stage activities live. In short, leads help you triage interest, deals help you execute and win. Click Add Deal. If needed, you can also add or choose a pipeline here to match your sales process. Enter the contact person so activities and communications stay centralized. Set the deal value and choose your currency. Add labels to your deal. Labels act as quick visual tags that help you prioritize and report. Set the probability to reflect confidence in winning based on your criteria. Choose an expected close date to align your forecast. For source channel, select web forms to keep attribution accurate. If you use scoring, set the budget field to high, which in this setup contributes a +30 score, signaling stronger buying power. Identify the decision maker to focus your outreach on the right stakeholder. Turn on highlight to flag this deal for extra visibility on your board. Finally, set a lead source and timeline if you track those fields, then click Save. To recap, use leads to collect and qualify early interest without crowding your pipeline, and convert or create deals once an opportunity is real, trackable, and ready to move through stages. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.